Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some barbecue jerk chicken in the oven, and for this recipe here I have 4 pieces of chicken thigh, my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, because you know it's pretty much the best, green seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chicken seasoning, browning, and my olive oil. So let's get right into seasoning our chicken. So we're gonna start with our jerk seasoning. Green seasoning, our dried seasoning all mixed together, extra virgin olive oil, and of course our gravy browning. Just about a teaspoon. If you have soy sauce and you want to add that, you can do that as well. Let's mix this all together. And remember to put it under the skin as well. Remove the skin, season that chicken. Okay guys, so my chicken is all seasoned. I am going to cover it with plastic wrap. I'm going to place it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours so it can marinate, and then we're going to start our cooking process. I am going to start off with braising it in my cast iron skillet, and then I'm going to be putting it into the oven to finish cook. So see you guys in about 2 to 2.5 hours. So I have my cast iron pot on, and I'm going to place the chicken skin side down. Now doing this is optional. I just like to get the skin a little bit more brown before I put it into the oven. That way I won't have to put it on broil after, if you get what I mean. So you can totally skip this part and put it straight into the oven with the skin side up and go ahead and bake your chicken. Now that same bowl it was marinating in, I added just a little bit of hot water. In here I have onion, garlic, scallion, pimento peppers, and green onions. I'm going to add these into here. Mix this up. I'm going to start putting it all over. I put it more in between because this is the same pot I'm using in the oven. And then I'm going to add some thyme, some fresh thyme. And I'm going to place this into my oven. My oven is set to 350. So into the oven it goes, and I'll show you guys how it looks in the end. So here I have some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I'm going to be just putting a little bit over each piece of chicken. And I'm going to just brush it on. So I'm not doing it like this because I don't want to move all that beautiful jerk seasoning that's on there. So I'm doing more like a patting motion. And back into the oven it goes for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will be done. Okay guys, so my barbecue jerk chicken in the oven is all done. Thanks again for watching. I'm gonna be using my butcher's knife to cut these up in smaller pieces. I'm having it with some rice and peas. I also have some avocado on the side and some veggies as well. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet and you love my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and do remember to have a good day on purpose. See you guys tuned in to my next video. Bye.